Chicklings, welcome to our new house.
Wow! This house is bigger and way awesomer than our old one.
It is. And this part of the forest is really quite wonderful. Plus, a lot of interesting and amazing friends live around here.
Wow! I can't wait to play with all of our new friends.
Why don't we go inside the house first?
Great!
Wow! It's big enough inside to run around. Yeah!
Wow!
I can't wait to eat lots of yummy food here. Yeah! Woohoo!
Huh? Hey, look here! A staircase. There must be more house up there. Let's go up. Come on. Huh? Whoa. Wow.
No, wait, there's a slide!
Whee!
Yeah!
Huh?
Chicklings, do you all like your new house so far?
Yes! Whoa. Huh?
Hey, what was that sound? It's outside.
Huh? Look over there.
Oh. Whoa, who is that? His nose is really long.
His ears are big as well.
He's an elephant. Elephants use their long, long trunks to pick up things and to feed themselves.
That's awesome. Huh? He keeps saying the same thing. Achoo, achoo. Is that how elephants talk?
Not at all. It sounds like the poor elephant just can't stop sneezing. Why don't all of you go help him out?
Yes, we will, Mommy.
Oh,
Hello, elephants.
hello. Oh, really nice to meet you. Achoo!
Guess what? All of us are gonna help you stop sneezing.
Gee, you really are? Achoo! But how? Achoo!
If you want to stop sneezing, just hold your breath, like this.
Okay, I'll try it.
Look, he stopped sneezing. I think that'll work.
Whoa!
If you want to stop sneezing, drinking water will do the trick.
But Bobby, isn't drinking water for stopping hiccups?
You need to trust your Bobby here. Go ahead, elephant. Drink it up.
Okay.
Poor thing. He could be sneezing because something got stuck in his trunk.
Well, then we better get whatever it is out of there. Elephant. Try to blow your nose like that.
Sure, I'll try that. But where should I aim?
Well, how about... Guys! Goodness, what's the matter, Squirrel?
My precious lucky acorn fell down inside this tree trunk.
What?
My acorn dropped down inside this hollow log. How are we going to get it out of there? I don't think we can. This hole is too small.
Idea, huh?
Huh?
I have a great plan, Elephant. You should blow your nose into this hole here.
Blow my nose. Achoo! Inside here?
Whoa! Elephant, blow harder!
Okay, I'll try.
Look, Elephant, one more time! Whoa!
Chicklings!
Huh?
We're flying! Yeah! Acorns everywhere!
Hey, I'll get you guys. Gotcha.
Elephant, thanks so much.
Darlings, are you all right?
Yeah! Oh, that was really fun!
You hear that? No, too. Who can stop sneezing?
Wow, I
really did. Thank you, everyone.